Why Chime didn't send out my second stimulus check? That's the question of the hour, right? Right? We're gonna get into this, right? You guys don't know by now, Chime has tweeted out that basically if you have not received your stimulus check already, you're going to be receiving a mail. I mean, it ain't not mail, but you're going to be receiving a check in the mail or a debit card. I'm not too sure, is it from Chime, is it from the IRS? I don't know what's going on behind it. If any new information leaked out, drop the comments below as well. You know, I'll try to keep you guys all the way updated. People are so upset right now, and I understand it. Totally understand, you know, definitely when there's certain dates in the first stimulus check, if you had Chime, you received it early. Now this go around, it's like the same information is there, you know, people are still not receiving the stimulus checks. If you guys want to know what they tweeted out, go check the previous video as well, and I'll actually put in a link in the description. But I actually got this off of a tweet which was screenshotted. I'm going to try my best to pull it up for you guys, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. This is going to be for the latest news, because there's still hope, guys. I'm still hoping. And like I said, the way the world is, I'm hoping that we just wake up and all of our checks are there. You know, if you're supposed to be receiving a stimulus check from Chime, I just hope you wake up and it's there. You know, I don't like this extra drama. It's more drama. It's more stuff's getting prolonged. You know what I mean? Stuff is just longer than it is. It's extra drama. You know, I want everything to be smooth. But this is strictly from Chime. Now this was a tweet that I actually grabbed. It said, or not a tweet, but a screenshot that somebody actually had inside of their app. I don't see this in my app. If you see this in your app as well, you know, I don't know. Like I said, you see this in your app, maybe it's just time to, maybe you are going to be receiving it. I don't see this yet, but I'm just hoping we all wake up and our check's there. But it says, all direct deposit stimulus payments have been paid out. If you are eligible for and haven't gotten your payment yet, you will likely receive a check or debit card in the mail from the IRS, even if you received an electronic deposit last time. Please check the IRS portal for more information. Now guys, you can check that portal right now. Yes, you can do that right now. It's still not updated for some people. Some people, they had the date of January 4th, and that's what they're mad about, because there's date stamps on it. And it's like they're not there. So I understand it, totally understand. Today's the 4th, you know, so like I said, still Monday. I'm gonna try to give it some more time, and hopefully with time, you know, we just wake up and it's there. I'm really hoping we don't have to wait for another debit card or check, because we all know, guys, we all know how long that's going to be and how long that can take, you know, waiting on a check. Who wants to wait on a check? Who wants to wait, you know, them checks like two to 3 weeks for them checks, or whatever the case, I don't know. But it's just extra hassle, you know, when you can get it direct deposited. I don't know what was going on behind it. Did it actually get the Chime? Did it not get the Chime? Was this all set up? Like I said, I don't know what's going on, but I do know a lot of people was complaining about the Spot Me feature, just due to the fact of they just spotted everybody $200. They spotted everybody $200 expecting that stimulus check to go through, and people were still not receiving the stimulus check. Now a lot of people out of that $200 and down, they got to wait on that stimulus check probably 2 or 3 more weeks, you know, waiting on a check or a debit card. But either way, it's not going to that Chime account. So once again, you have to cash that check, pay those fees, to cash it, get the cash and transfer. This is gonna be a whole nother mess for people who don't have that $200, or who had that Spot Me feature for that $200. If you guys received your payments recently, drop the comments below. Like I said, people were receiving on Sundays, Saturdays. I don't know, like Sundays, Saturdays, Fridays, like every day the people were receiving it. So I really don't know, but I do know that Chime did tweet that out. But like I said, I'm still, like, we gotta cross our fingers. I'm just hoping, I'm hoping that, like, it's something, you know what I mean? I'm hoping that it's something like everybody wakes up and it's just there, you know? I don't know what's going on, why there's been so many issues, you know? with these banks and what's going on this day and age, you know, but it just makes you want to be more careful, be more responsible with your money, you know. And in the long run, I really hope everybody received their stimulus package because it's needed, you know what I mean? And especially everybody that's commenting, everybody part of the family, you know, I'm trying to keep everybody, you know, updated, you know, because a lot of people asking me a lot of questions like, when is it, what's going on? I can only got my few resources that I could, you know, go out to and see what's going on, like see whether it's the IRS, that portal, you know, so utilize that portal. But that portal also did say that it updates once a day. So like I said, with it being Monday, it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to really determine anything too much because it's Monday. You know, a lot of things gonna take more time to flow, a lot more time, a couple more days to get the thing going. But as of right now, it's still Monday, and there's no stimulus check. If you got Chime and received it, drop the comments below. Just because at this point, the way people have been, complaining about Chime, I'm like, did anybody from Chime receive their stimulus check? Or is it just certain people received them? Like, did anybody from Chime? So if you have Chime, did you receive them? You know, let's be real. A lot of people are talking about switching banks. What banks do you guys plan on switching to? You know, we're still trying to find obviously good banks with good benefits and stuff like that. But going through these technical difficulties with Chime, I totally understand where people are coming from when they're like, I want to, you know, switch banks, I want to do something else, because this is a pivotal time in life, you know, a pivotal time where this is probably one of the worst times ever that may be, you know what I mean? And I'm talking, you know what I mean, you got the coronavirus going on, you got stimulus checks getting handed out, you know, so, and people don't have access to free money, you know what I mean? It's like, when you're handed something, you're still not handed it, you know what I mean? Because it's still something behind it, you know what I mean? Some people haven't even received it, you know what I mean? Some people don't even plan on receiving it, you know, that's how bad it is. And that's just kind of, it's sad when you get to that point, you know. But I just didn't want to know who has Chime and received it. If you're still waiting, let me know as well. You know, I heard a lot of people who had Chime for a couple years received it first, or they received the Spot Me feature, which was actually a feature given to only 1,000 people. I mentioned that in the other video as well. So 1,000 people got that Spot Me feature, and that's what's giving high hope to thinking, okay, yeah, people are gonna get their stimulus checks, people do good with their stimulus, or Chime is on the right direction and giving people the increase. But then it's like, wow, now you're just taking it right back, or you come out with a tweet like that. So if you guys got any more information, drop the comments below. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated as the best as I can. So don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe.